Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a delicious, creamy and super easy banana pudding with a rich caramel topping. This dessert is sweet, soft and melts in your mouth. Perfect for any occasion. And the best part is you only need a few simple ingredients. So let's make the recipe. First, let's make the caramel. In a small pan, add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Keep the heat on low flame and stir until the sugar melts and turns a golden brown color. At first, the sugar will dissolve and turn into a clear liquid. After a few minutes, it will slowly change color and become golden brown. Once the caramel is ready, carefully pour it into a mold and let it cool down completely. This will give the pudding a rich, glossy topping. Now let's prepare the pudding mixture. Take 2 eggs and 3 ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter and more flavorful your pudding will be. Mash them well until become smooth and creamy. You can even use a blender for a finer texture. Mix everything together until the eggs are fully mixed in. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now, pour 1/3 cup of sugar and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. This will give the pudding a wonderful flavor. Now mix all the ingredients well. Mix very well until the sugar dissolves. Add 1½ cup of milk. Make sure the milk is at room temperature, not too cold or too hot. Using that right temperature milk will help everything combine smoothly without any lumps. And mix all the ingredients well. Pour the banana mixture into the mold. To steam the pudding, take a pan and add some water. Place tissue paper inside the pan. Now place the mold inside the pan and cover it. Also cover the pan and cook on low-medium flame for 35 to 40 minutes. Once done, remove the mold from the pan and let it cool down completely. When the pudding cools down completely, flip it onto a plate. This pudding has a perfect balance of sweetness with the natural richness of ripe bananas and the creamy smoothness from the milk and eggs. Look at the beautiful caramel topping. Look at how smooth and creamy it is. The bananas are perfectly mashed into the pudding, adding just the right amount of natural sweetness. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with more delicious recipes.